Since I switched over to the Sony a6700 and the Tamron 50-400 f4.5 to 6.3 Di3 VC VDX zoom for birds and wildlife and macro, and since getting the Sony E10-18 f4 zoom for my old Sony a5100 for landscape and environmental macro, I've been searching for a backpack-style camera bag that will carry and store the whole kit, including my video light for night photography, a small tabletop-style tripod, assorted batteries and chargers, extra cards, and of course my iPad Pro and its charger and SD card reader. At a fair price. It makes no sense to me to invest in a compact nature photography outfit and then to carry a backpack big enough for an old-fashioned DSLR. After 3 tries, I've found the pack for me and my gear. It is the K&F Concept 18-liter Nature Wanderer. I got it on sale directly from the K&F Concept website, free shipping included. The current price seems to be in the $65 range. Well, my primary concern always was that the pack be the right size and have sufficient dividers to carry my gear without being too big and bulky. The first 2 packs I bought taught me a few lessons. First, I want dividers and an interior that are fully plush-lined, so the Velcro attachments can attach anywhere and be relatively secure. The second pack I bought had smooth lining with 2 Velcro strips sewed on 1/3 of the way from the tops and bottoms, and the attachments just did not feel secure with only those 2 points of contact and the lining loose behind them. Secondly, I want a dedicated compartment for my laptop or tablet, with its own zipper and ample padding on both sides. Its own zipper because I don't want to open the main compartment to go through security, and padding on both sides to protect the tablet or laptop from both external bumps and dings and from the equipment potentially moving inside the backpack. The first 2 packs I bought had tablet-laptop compartments easily big enough for my iPad Pro or even my 13-inch Mac Air, but they were inside the main storage area, on the front of the pack, and did not feel like they offered much protection from either direction, and they added unnecessary hassle and potential exposure of my camera equipment when getting the tablet out for security. The Nature Wanderer fills both those wants. The plush lining of the interior fits the side and dividers tightly and holds the many dividers in place well, and the tablet-laptop compartment is right where I want it, between the main compartment and my back, and has high-quality zippers. The rest of the pack is equally well made, with sturdy wear and water-resistant materials, excellent padding on the back and straps, a chest strap for added security and comfort when walking from Terminal A all the way to the far end of Terminal E, a luggage handle strap for slipping it over the handles of a rolling suitcase in case you don't want it on your back all the way from Terminal A to E, a tripod sleeve and a strap on one side, which does not extend down past the bottom of the pack, something I only came to appreciate after trying a number of packs with a design that left the tripod hanging and in the way of putting the pack down, and an array of zippered and fold-out compartments on the inside of the front, where you might store relatively flat accessories. The 18-inch liter capacity appears to be a conservative estimate. There's plenty of room for my 2 camera bodies with the lenses attached, even with the lens hood still in place, with room left over for all my little bits and bobs. I have to keep track of them while not traveling, better right here at home in the camera pack than somewhere in a drawer where I have to find them when getting ready to travel. It even has a halfway decent carry handle for when I'm just slinging it around between the car and the door, or on and off the security machine at the airport. I'm off for Yellowstone next week, so the Nature Wanderer will get a good test for both air and for 11 days of travel in the car. But my use of it around home for the past several weeks has already convinced me it will do the job.